Here is a picture in page number 72, and in this picture you can see the different types of symbols are being drawn by the normal people in the wall. That means they are drawing the political party symbol in the wall. So election commission has officially banned wall writing by parties during election time. So the election commission of India has officially banned that no political party is allowed to draw their political party symbol in the wall during the election times. Most political parties argue that was the cheapest way for their campaign. So most of the political party, they argue that by painting the political party symbol on the wall, this is the cheapest way for their campaign. That means during an elections, and by painting the different types of political party symbol on the wall, they can promote uh, before an election which is going to commence. These election time used to create amazing graffiti on the wall. Here are some of the example from Tamil Nadu. So these graffiti, or you can say different types of arts, are being practiced during, or you can say before an election. So these, and here are the example of the wall painting of political party symbol from Tamil Nadu. As you can see, here is the symbol of Congress, here is some other political party. Here also you can see the people are drawing in the wall, here also. So but this practice is banned by our election commission of India, please remember it. And here is a picture in the page number 73. As you can see, the different political parties, they are you can say giving speech before an election to be held, and they are addressing the normal citizens of our country. And as you can see, a person is reading "The Nation in Peril," and here a woman is saying, "Where have all our leaders gone at a time like this?" So as you can see, during an election, their main focus is to just promote their political party, to grab as number of votes from the local party. Okay, and in this picture, the major issue discussed here is the Ayodhya case, as one man is holding a banner which has a temple made on it. As you can see, a person is, or you can say a leader, he is holding a banner of Ayodhya temple. Religious matter can be the core issue discussed here. So in this picture we can say that they are using religious or religion in order to grab as number of votes during the election campaign. And in this picture it shows that when the nation is in peril and facing lots of difficulties, the politicians are nowhere seen. So it is also said that when you can say the different types of political parties, they make different types of promises before election, during the election campaign, but when the problems or the difficulties arises, they are not seen anywhere, because their main agenda is to grab as number of votes, and by getting a large number of votes, their party can gain the, or you can say their party can win the election. So but when the normal citizen, they face the problem, the political party, they vanished. Politicians are only active when they are in election. Another case can be seen are that nobody is willing to take any responsibility for the problems being faced. So in this picture it is also shows that when the normal citizen, they face the problem in their daily activities, political parties are nowhere, they just run away. And during an election campaign, they use religion as a weapon to manipulate the mind of the normal citizens of our country, and by using the religion, they try to grab as number of votes during the election campaigns. And hence they can and by using the religion and by giving the fake promises, they can earn huge number of votes, and finally their party can come to the power. So this is the theme of this picture. Please remember it.